and everyone. My name is Lu Liu. I'm assistant professor of Department of Computer Science at the North Dakota State University. And my major research area is bioinformatics. And bioinformatics is using advanced computers to analyze biological data, especially DNA data. And in NDACs, I'm working on using machine learning to analyze breast cancer image data and to help the doctors to make it easy classifying the image is normal, benign, or malignant, and so it will help the healthcare. And for my research, and it's very, very important because it has a lot of applications. And first of all, it can be applied to medical care, and you know that, and for bioinformatics, and it were used to analyze the DNA data, for example, and in the coronavirus, and scientists using the bioinformatics to analyze the coronavirus DNA data, and then to find out the target to develop a new vaccine, and so, and it can be used to develop new drugs, and also it can be used to identifying the markers. The markers can be used to used for diagnosis and also for prognosis. So it's try to detect disease as early as possible. And also it has a lot of applications in agriculture and in farming, and we can use the bioinformatics to analyze DNA data of the crops and then to identify the crops with the desired features, such as the high yield and also resistant to disease. And there are other applications, and I just want to name two. And I think bioinformatics is a very good subject for students to learn because it's welcome students of all backgrounds because it's a multidisciplinary subject, and it have a application in biology and also while training your programming skill, and so it can welcome students of all backgrounds. And for the students, and if they study bioinformatics, and then they will find out they not only get training on biology and also get a training in computer science, and they will learn a lot of the useful skills. And in this area, the demand is very high, and so it means, and there are a lot of jobs there. And after you studying this subject, and then you will have a lot of skills to be able to looking for the jobs. And also, and in our department, and we have a lot of the good faculties, and have a lot of the student organizations, and we have some kind of the programming competitions and help you to develop your skill. And as I just mentioned, and if you study computer science, and after you graduate, and there will be a lot of the job opportunities, and you don't need to worry about to find a job. I think that's why, and I want you to welcome to Department of Computer Science.